Fujian, a coastal province in southeastern China. It's known for its stunning scenery, ancient temples, and tea plantations. But beyond these tourist attractions, Fujian holds a delicious secret: its street food. Imagine bustling night markets with vendors calling out. Picture tantalizing aromas filling the air. This is Fujian, a foodie's paradise. Man Jian Gao holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of the Fujianese people. It's more than just a snack. It's a symbol of their culinary heritage, passed down through generations. Its popularity stems from its simplicity, affordability, and of course, its incredible taste. But what makes Man Jian Gao so special? It's the perfect blend of sweet and savory, a balance that's central to Fujianese cuisine. The crispy edges give way to a soft, doughy center, creating a textural delight that's hard to resist. The story of Man Jian Gao is as rich and layered as the pancake itself. It's a tale that stretches back centuries, interwoven with the history and culture of Fujian. While its exact origins remain shrouded in mystery, legends and folklore abound. Some say Man Jian Gao was created by a resourceful housewife. She used leftover rice batter to create a filling and satisfying meal for her family. Others believe it was sold by street vendors. They would cook it on large griddles, attracting customers with its enticing aroma. Imagine walking through the bustling streets of ancient Fuzhou, the capital of Fujian. The year is unclear, lost to the mists of time, but the aroma is unmistakable. A sweet, yeasty scent wafts from street vendors, drawing you closer with each tantalizing whiff. This, my friends, is the fragrance of history, the beckoning aroma of Man Jian Gao in its infancy. their movements swift and fluid. The vendor, with deft fingers, selects the desired filling, their movements swift and precise. A dollop of sweet red bean paste, a sprinkle of crushed peanuts, or perhaps a generous helping of savory stir-fried pork is carefully placed onto one half of the pancake. Then, with a flourish, they fold the Man Jian Gao in half, encasing the filling within its warm embrace. The two halves are pressed together gently, ensuring the filling is evenly distributed and the edges are sealed. "Ah, Man Jian Gao," sighs Mr. Chen, his eyes crinkling at the corners as a wistful smile spreads across his weathered face. The memories flood back, each bite a journey to the past. He's a retired schoolteacher, his white hair a stark contrast to the youthful twinkle in his eyes. Despite the years, his spirit remains vibrant, a testament to a life well lived. We sit in a bustling tea house in Fuzhou, the aroma of jasmine tea mingling with the savory scent of street food wafting in from the open-air market nearby. The chatter of patrons and clinking of teacups create a symphony of everyday life. "It takes me back," he continues, his voice a low rumble, "to my childhood, to simpler times. Times when life was slower and every moment was savored." He recounts his memories of growing up in a small village outside Fuzhou, where the aroma of Man Jian Gao filled the air each morning. The village was a close-knit community, where everyone knew each other. "My grandmother," he says, his voice softening, "she made the best Man Jian Gao in the village. Her recipe was a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations, a symbol of our family's heritage and love." Love, it seems, is a recurring theme in the stories surrounding Man Jian Gao. Across Fujian, mothers, grandmothers, and aunts are credited with perfecting this beloved street food, their recipes passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. In the heart of Fuzhou's oldest market, we meet Miss Lin, a woman whose family has been making Man Jian Gao for over a century. Her stall, adorned with faded photographs and newspaper clippings, is a testament to her family's culinary legacy. As we journey through Fujian, sampling Man Jian Gao from bustling street stalls and cozy family-run shops, we begin to understand that this humble street food is more than just a culinary delight. It's a symbol of community, a thread that connects generations through shared experiences and cherished memories. In the coastal city of Xiamen, we meet a group of university students huddled around a Man Jian Gao vendor, their laughter echoing through the night air. For them, Man Jian Gao is a late-night treat, a delicious reward after a long day of studying. Our journey begins in Fuzhou, the heart of Man Jian Gao country. Here, amidst the city's ancient temples and bustling markets, you'll find Man Jian Gao stalls on practically every corner, each one vying for the title of the city's best. For a taste of tradition, head to the labyrinthine alleys of Sanfang Chixiang, Fuzhou's historic district. Here, tucked away among traditional wooden shophouses, you'll find family-run stalls that have been serving up Man Jian Gao for generations. But the Man Jian Gao adventure doesn't end in Fuzhou. Venture beyond the capital and you'll discover a treasure trove of regional variations, each one reflecting the unique culinary traditions of its locale. In the charming coastal city of Xiamen, known for its laid-back vibe and fresh seafood, Man Jian Gao takes on a distinctly seaside flair. Here, be sure to sample the seafood. Man Jian Gao, filled with succulent prawns, squid, or fish, the delicate flavors of the sea perfectly complementing the chewy pancake. soon be able to whip up this delicious treat with ease, bringing a taste of Fujian to your own table. Before we delve into the recipe, let's glean some wisdom from the Man Jian Gao masters themselves. Miss Lin, the third-generation vendor from Fuzhou's oldest market, generously shares her family's secrets for achieving Man Jian Gao perfection. The batter she emphasizes is the heart and soul of the Man Jian Gao. She stresses the importance of using the right ratio of rice flour to glutinous rice flour. Too much rice flour, she explains, and the pancake will be dry and crumbly. Too much glutinous rice flour, and it will be overly chewy. She recommends a ratio of 2:1, rice flour to glutinous rice flour, for the perfect balance of textures. As the sun begins its golden descent over the Min River, casting long shadows across the bustling streets of Fuzhou, the city comes alive in a different light. The hustle and bustle of the day transitions into a vibrant evening, where the air is filled with anticipation and the promise of delightful flavors. A familiar aroma fills the air, a sweet and savory symphony that awakens the senses and draws hungry crowds like moths to a flame. The scent is unmistakable, a tantalizing blend of spices and sweetness that beckons from every corner. It's the irresistible scent of Man Jian Gao, a culinary siren song that has echoed through the streets of Fujian for centuries. This beloved treat, with its crispy exterior and soft, chewy interior, has been a staple of Fujianese street food culture. We've journeyed through the historical tapestry of this beloved street food, tracing its humble beginnings to its present-day popularity. Each bite tells a story, a connection to the past and a celebration of tradition. Unraveling the secrets of its texture and taste, we discover the meticulous process that goes into creating each piece. The layers of flavor and texture are a testament to the skill and dedication of the street vendors. Sharing in the cherished memories it evokes for generations of Fujianese people, we see how Man Jian Gao brings families together. It's more than just food, it's a symbol of community and shared heritage. We've witnessed the artistry of Man Jian Gao masters, their hands moving with a practiced grace that transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Each movement is a dance, a blend of tradition and innovation. Their hands move with a practiced grace that transforms simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The dedication and passion they pour into their craft are evident in every bite, making Man Jian Gao a true bite of happiness. In many ways, Man Jian Gao embodies the essence of Fujianese culture itself, a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation, simplicity and sophistication. Just as the pancake's crispy exterior gives way to a soft, chewy center, so too does Fujian reveal its hidden depths to those willing to venture beyond the surface. The province's rich history, shaped by its strategic coastal location and its role as a hub for trade and cultural exchange, is reflected in the diversity of Man Jian Gao fillings, from traditional sweet options to more modern savory creations. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the bustling streets of Fujian, your stomach rumbling with anticipation, be sure to heed the siren call of Man Jian Gao. Follow your nose to the nearest street food stall where the air is thick with the sweet scent of history and the promise of culinary adventure awaits. Take a moment to appreciate the artistry of the Man Jian Gao master, their skilled hands transforming simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Choose your filling wisely, whether you prefer the comforting sweetness of red bean paste, the nutty crunch of peanuts, or the savory delight of pork and chives. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.